exhibit, I would say it's a collaboration with me and the Design Era. So, Miss Amrita Deora she is the one who came up with the idea of Design Era, and I think what they've done is also very beautiful, and we felt that it's something unique, so we should work together. And as you can see, they focus on pop art, and we also focus on photography and also on some of our artists and one of our international artists also. But we wanted a unified theme where it was like a little different, but at the same time not too contrasting also. I know that sounds like a little difficult to understand, but yeah, we wanted a unifying theme, but at the same time we wanted to also come together in a different way.
Right. Coming to your works, आपके works के बारे में कुछ बताइए. आपने और कुश ने दोनों ने photographs exhibit किए.
जी. तो जैसा आप देख रहे हैं, ये फोटोग्राफ्स की एक कहानी है कि पहले आपको प्यार होता है, लव. उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि वॉज ऑल अ ड्रीम, मतलब कि क्या ये सपना था. फिर उसके बाद आपको एहसास होता है कि मुझे सच बोलना चाहिए और भागना चाहिए, टेल द ट्रूथ एंड रन. एंड अंत में बॉन वॉयाज, मतलब आप अलविदा कहते हैं और आप निकल जाते हैं उससे. तो दिस वॉज माई थॉट बिहाइंड दिस, इज अ स्टोरी. एंड उसके अलावा भी ये हर फोटोग्राफ अलग देश में लिया गया. जैसे पहला वाला मैंने लंदन में लिया था, दूसरा वाला दुबई में लिया था, तीसरा वाला हांगकांग मुंबई में लिया था और चौथा वाला हांगकांग में लिया था. पर तब भी मतलब कि 4 अलग देशों से एक कहानी बन गई. तो मतलब that's what I enjoyed about this.
And how difficult, how easy was to curate this show along with Design Era, because it's again, like you said, it's two different entities coming together altogether.
So I think it went very well. There were no problems. It was very smooth. And again, I think when minds that can work together come together, it always turns out well. So I think that worked out very good for us. Yeah.
Because Kush is not here, would you like to tell us about this photograph?
Yeah. Okay, so this is a photograph. Kush is a director. ये उस टाइम से है जब वो assistant director होते थे. And this was taken on a movie set actually. So this is from a dance sequence of a movie. And again, I won't mention who the artist is, but I think again, it's all about capturing memories at the right time, right? Today we think because we have a phone, कि it's enough, but nahi, it's not enough. Of course, some people can only rely on a phone. I respect that, but I always say कि अगर आप अपनी यादों को आप रखना चाहते ठीक से तो कैमरा लीजिए, like always. And I'm not selling it because a camera company pays me, but I sincerely believe that a camera is very important.
Right. And any parting thoughts?
I mean, I just hope you really like the exhibition, and we look forward to having a lot more for House of Creativity. Thank you.
Thank you.
So there are all these beautiful artworks here. You can either check it out on houseofcreativity.in or on the Design Era website. Thank you.
Always is mine.
And what do you have to say about these amazing artworks that we're seeing?
First and foremost, the tagline, House of Creativity. It says it all. Let's talk about these right behind me. Amazing. Love. You know what it is all about. यार हम सबको चाहिए. And love is here, right here, who has created all this. It was all a dream. हम सबका एक सपना होता है. और उस सपने को कैसे जीना, उसको कैसे आगे लेके चलना. That is all about it. Then it comes to the next one. Tell the truth and run. ये कड़वा सच है जिंदगी का. सच्चाई बोल के आपको भागना ही पड़ता है. जहाँ आप सच्चाई बोल के खड़े रहोगे ना, लोग आपको जूते मारने तैयार होंगे. This is, मतलब everything what love is written here is, it stands out. Come back. The last one here, Bon Voyage. कहते हैं अलविदा, see you, bye bye, tata. That's what it is all about. Creativity at its best is what love is all about.
And so what's wonderful is that it's not just related to paintings but photography hai, and there are so many other elements over
There
there.
are elements in totality. Right here, जो इसने कुछ जी ने बनाई है, unimaginable. मतलब मेरे पास शब्दों की कमी है इसको डिफाइन करने में. मैं लिटरली थोड़ी देर पहले जब मैं घुसा था अंदर, मैं इसको हाथ लगा रहा था. ऐसा लगा कुछ ये सब्सटेंस चिटकाए हुए हैं, but it's natural. That's what a brush is all about. And phenomenal job. I'm telling you, the way these boys are doing, sky's the limit. That's all I can say to you.
Truly a house of creativity, sir, and it's just a pleasure to have you.
Always my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Be here. It's such an amazing experience.
It's a pleasure to have you all here. And it's Aditi here. I'm the art director at Design Era. Hi, I'm Dhanashri. I'm the gallery curator at the Designer.
So could you tell me something about like how did the idea come about to have these different sort of elements at this exhibition?
I think it came more like organically. As you see, House of Creativity also has the same vision as Designer. And yes, it's a form of like a creative experience for both of us.
Yeah, I think photography and pop art go hand in hand because with photography it's more realistic approach, and with pop art we kind of reimagine that realistic approach through an art form. So I think both of them just go hand in hand. It's all electric, it's all contemporary yet pop, yet fun. So I think that was the best decision that we took to have HOC along with.
Yeah, the Designer gallery.
And how is it collaborating with HOC?
It's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, I think it's turned out amazing. So yeah, there is no other proof that's needed.
Yeah.
Every other artwork in photography is just blending in together. So we have international artists with Designera, Indian artists, and this artworks are just blending in together perfectly. So I think it's a vibe.
Yeah, it's a vibe. It's
a vibe.
totally a
It's a
vibe.
vibe.
So from what I can see is that there are elements of contemporary and modern, and there is pop culture as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So what was the thought behind it?
The thought behind that.
It's fusing everything together.
So pop art basically is something that is reimagined and that is gotten through pop culture. So we take an element that is famous and just we take that as an imagination point and we create multiple other works through it. So with HOC also, if you see more of the photographs over there, so it says it
Yeah.
was all a dream. So yeah, it was all a dream. So started through pop art and then blend photography together, and it's just amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And any parting messages for the viewers so that they can come and check this cool exhibition
I think
out?
if you don't come in, you'll miss out on a lot. So yeah, please do come to the gallery.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thanks
you.
so much.
Thank
He
you.
was a drummer. He was Atanu. It's a pleasure to have you here. So many beautiful artworks, so many different elements. What do you have to say about it?
I mean, I've always been someone who really appreciated pop art, like all different forms of art, and it's really nice to see that we have our own pop art gallery in Bombay, and it's my first time here, and it's a very nice experience to see all different like forms of pop art, because you don't get to see that often around. You're mostly stuck with traditional art forms, and this is for a change. This was a nice break, and again, I see some of my friends' work displayed, so that kind of feels good.
As a trailblazer of pop art, I can see over here that they've infused contemporary with modern art, and there
Correct.
are elements of pop culture, pop art as well. What do you have to say about it?
I mean, see, the thing is, pop art, people think that pop art is only limited to, like, let's say, Andy Warhol and stuff like that. But then pop art is anything that is derived from popular culture, right? So right now we're in an age where there's a confluence and there's an advent of, it's an horizon of mixing different mediums, be it technology, be it art, AR, VR, everything, AI. So this is a good example of how pop art kind of summarizes the current popular culture and popular notion about things. Like for example, this piece behind me, it's a brilliant mix. It's a good example of how contemporary traditional art methods can be mixed with modern stuff. Like this is actually an AR VR experience. When you scan it, there's an whole animation. You can check it out on your phones and stuff. And I love the whole interplay of tribute. Like there's all Campbell soups over here. Again, Warhol stuff. So I think it's quite an interesting time and space that we're in, especially when it comes to art, pop art, and technology.
Any message for the House of Creativity and the Designera for bringing this wonderful exhibition together?
I mean, keep doing what you do best. I'm quite thrilled and excited, and I'm just waiting to see how big this gets.
And would you like to urge the viewers to come and check it out?
Definitely. Weekends right around the corner. I mean, it's already Friday, right? Yeah, so just come over, man. It's all chill.
It's a
Yeah.
pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
What's your role at House of Creativity, and how did you put together this beautiful show?
Okay, so for House of Creativity, I manage the entire brand's marketing, online and offline. Work very, very closely with Love, with Kush, to do these kind of shows. We do a lot of other collaborative work as well. I also help him manage the portal and all the artists that are on the portal. For this particular show, we were in talks with Design Era and Amrita especially to put up a collaborative show so we could showcase the best of pop art and modern art, and that's exactly how it came about, and very happy with the way it's turned out and open to see. So everyone please come and see the show. We are on for the next 10 days, every day from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. until the 26th of May.